So going to make elderberry syrup for cold and flu. We've got fresh grated ginger, cloves, cinnamon, dried elderberries, and honey from our hives, and some water, as well as Instapot. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add all the ingredients into the Instapot with the exception of the honey. And I will post the link to this recipe. This recipe is not mine. It came from Wellness Mama, and I will post that link at the end of the video. So the ginger, the cloves, cinnamon, and the elderberries. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to put the Instapot on, top on, and we're going to set it for 9 minutes. So we're going to do pressure cook, 9 minutes, normal high, and just let her go. So 9 minutes has passed, so we're going to release the steam or the pressure. And pressure button went down, so we're good to open. And yeah. She's nice and boiling. See that, just looks delicious. So we're going to let it cool just a moment, and we're going to strain it to get all those elderberries out. And then we're going to add our honey after it's come down to room temperature. Set that back in there. So the syrup is now lukewarm. So we're going to go ahead and add the honey in. It's a cup of honey. This is from our hives. So very excited. Love using our own honey. So amazing. So we have lots of clover. So this is a very light honey. Light flavored honey. So once we get all of this out, this goodness out, then what we're going to do is just mix it in. Should be still warm enough that the honey assimilates into the syrup. Yeah, it looks like it's mixing in really nicely. All right, so we're going to just kind of put that in and just pour. We now have 1 quart of elderberry syrup. Should last a while. Will now be stored in the refrigerator. Good to go. Beautiful, great tasting elderberry syrup. Great for cold and flu.